Hey guys, this is Chainsaw Charlie. It's 5/14/2018. Just got changed, looking a little bit better. It's very humid out here, but I'm heading over to St. Mark's Church. They have the Place Memorial activities going on today. Starts at 6. I've never been here. I always forget about it or don't remember. So I'm heading over here now. So stormed earlier. I was up at 6:30 and went to the grocery store before storms rode through. Still gotta get more things, but that can wait. So found out getting new windows on the 22nd. Thank God, finally. Whew, been where I'm living at for about 5 years. My windows stink, but I'll get back on here later. I might record that where I'm at later. Ciao.